How's it going? Jonathan here with Automate with Jonathan. This video I'm going to show you how to simulate pressing the up arrow using Python and Selenium. I'm going to show you the modules required. I'm going to illustrate which page we're going to do it on, and then I'm going to show you the code to do it and execute the code. So let's get right into it. So these are the modules we need. The most important ones is the by module and the keys module. The WebDriver and service, those are just required to instantiate your Chrome WebDriver to actually run the script. That's part of Selenium. But these two are our secondary ones, and this by module is what you use to select an element, and this one is what you use to simulate the keystrokes, is the keys. So Selenium WebDriver common keys, import keys. So let's get into writing the code here. So first things first is we have to find the page in question that we want to run the script on and simulate the up arrow. And we have to select a element on the page. Really, you can select any element on the web page. So let's get the body tag, because every page is going to have the body tag. I don't even have to test that. So we're going to do body equals driver, which corresponds to our WebDriver, dot find element. And we're going to do by. We're going to use the by module. By equals by dot tag name. And we're going to pass into it the value of body. This is going to select the body tag. And then from there, we're going to want to, well, it's going to start at the top of the page. So we want to scroll down a couple of times and then scroll back up. So we want to do body dot send keys, and the keys we are going to send is the down one. So let's send a handful of down keys, and then we'll send a handful of up keys. And in order to illustrate the up movement, I'm going to put a couple of sleeps in there just to give it a pause. So that you can really see it working. So yeah, it's four downs, 4 ups. So let's run this here. It's going to load the page. It's going to scroll down and then scroll up one at a time. See how it's scrolling up? There you go. So that's how you do it, guys. That's how you simulate the up arrow using Python and Selenium. Make sure you use the keys module. Make sure you select an element using the by module, and you just send the requisite keys. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button also. It really helps me. See ya.